Hello world. Today I'm going to show you this probably the shittiest power supply you are going to see on YouTube. This has the your 10 turn potentiometer for voltage, another 10 turn potentiometer for adjusting the current, and this is not even a power supply module. This is a lithium battery charger. You can charge multiple batteries with this, and I have attached some binding posts. Also this is not really useful, but the binding posts help me to plug in these, and then I can use it. So if you have seen the exterior, I think you'll understand the interior, what's going on. There is basically a switch mode power supply. This is a switch mode power supply. Oh, this has a switch, by the way. Let's turn it off. Unplug it for safety. I know it looks dangerous, but it is quite safe. It has a switch mode power supply. The isolation is good. Here is the isolation, you can see. Here it is. And on the primary side, this is the secondary side. From the secondary side, it goes to one of these boost converters, and from the boost converter it goes to this module. These modules are available. I have taken out these variable resistor that it had here, and I have replaced them with these 10 turn potentiometers, which are a pleasure. Now let's open it and see what's inside. Ta-da! Here it is. You can see the wire coming from here. This is the mains. It's not connected right now. And then there's the switch. And I know it looks quite dangerous. Some of the components did not exist, and I added them, such as this capacitor. It's a smoothing capacitor, and also this resettable fuse. This switch mode power supply used to be inside one of the household DVD players, but since DVD players are no longer a thing, I thought it was a better idea to turn it into a power supply. Why do I need this boost module here? Well, because without the boost module I would get up to 11 or 12 volts, but with the boost I can get up to 18 or 25. Simply this part creates up to 12 volts, this unit, and then it boosts them to like up to 35 volts. I have adjusted it to 20 volts, so I can get up to 15 or 20 volts. And here are the expensive 10 turn potentiometers. These are a beauty, and these connections are just directly from this main board. I don't really use them, but they are constant 5 volt, 12 volt, minus 12 volt, and GND. So these are the 4 connections, and this is not used. And this is my main unit. You see, this is the star of the show. It can deliver up to 1.5 amps, and the voltage, as you see, is internally adjustable up to 35, but I have set a limit. So that's it, pretty much it. Let's turn it on. What can I do with it? I can, well, charge batteries, of course. I can also drive many of my motors and stuff. Almost everything you can want for an Arduino based project. I will make a better power supply in the future once I get the parts. Right now this is just an extension which has these clips, and then another this. It goes to that breadboard power supply. So there you have it. I have calibrated it to be up to 15 volts. You don't need any more than that really for Arduinos. I know it is not a power supply. It is more of a battery charger than a power supply. But I'll have to do with this for a while. So see you.